Gaano nga ba katagal bago mo maramdaman ang epekto ng eye inspect? Depende sa tao, but most of the users, they notice the result in just a days or weeks, months, so all depends. Some people feel lighter eyes and less pagod sa unang gamit ng eye inspect. Other, after consistent use, napapansin nila better focus while studying and working, less headaches and dizziness, mas relax ang eyes nila kahit na long screen time. Parang vitamins lang yan, iba-iba ang bilis ng epekto. Pero pag consistent mong suot, mas ramdam mo ang benefits. So don't expect overnight magic, pero expect real result with daily use. So message me now to get your own eye inspect. This is Rain from Eye Inspect PH by Erwin and Rain.